Y'all know what today is, guys. Welcome, quarter laundry day. Black Steel is in the house. And don't forget, got a big secret. It's free to subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. Let's see what we got. Okay, about to put a 20 in there. A Sir Jackson. If it takes it. Says my money isn't good enough. Come on now, eat it. There you go. That should be it. Eat the $20 bill. Let me try a different one. That machine works. There we have it, 20 bucks in quarters. Let's sort them out, guys. Okay, guys, check it out. This is the aftermath. Found two 1983s. Those are important. Those are important because in 1983, the mint didn't produce any mint sets for that year. That's why people collect those 1983s. Also, because of the Spitting Eagle variety on the reverse. And right there you see a 1999, our first state quarter program, Delaware quarter. I'm going to search that for Spitting Horse. So you should see a die crack right between the horse mouth going all the way right there to the A in Caesar. I'm going to search for that. I just love these quarters here. That's the Ellis Island. That is the first quarter to depict the American flag in the little boy's hand. And that is the African-American Frederick Douglass quarter. So they made the African-American Frederick Douglass quarter for that year. In 2017 had the African-American Lady Liberty. And also some beautiful 2018s that I'm going to check for double dies. And also the Frederick Douglass have like edge lettering. So somehow the edge lettering has been imprinted right there in the edge of the quarter, so I'm going to search that as well. That's about it. No bicentennials, no silvers, no 1970s this time. But thank you guys for tuning in with Black Steel. Appreciate you guys. Enjoy the video? You know what to do. Thank you guys. Have a good one.